Hey, Ming Tsai here. Welcome to an Instant with Chef Ming Tsai. We're gonna make something delicious and good for you. It's a Tamari Braised Tofu with a crunchy panko top. I am so psyched to show you incredible kitchen appliance. It's the Instant Pot Duo Crisp plus air fryer. It's a pressure cooker. You can sear, you can slow cook, and you can throw on the air fryer top. It's an even crisp. When you use this, you get the deep fried crunch with 95% less oil. Let's get started. In your Instant Pot, we're gonna put a whole bunch of veg. All right, here's some shiitake mushrooms. These have been destemmed. All we're gonna do is quarter them, guys, right? So like this. Shiitake's in. Let's talk about leeks. You can see here, there's dirt. You see all that dirt? That you never want. So what you have to do with leeks, you have to cut them lengthwise this way. I cut them a second time called quarter, and then I cut them nice and small, and then you soak it in water. A lot of water, because what happens? Sand and dirt sinks to the bottom, and you get super clean leeks. These have been spun dry, all right? So 2 leeks worth. In with the shiitakes. So I'm just gonna slice some scallions. The white part has the real strength of onions, right? So we're gonna put that in the pot. Gluten-free panko, scallion greens, and then all of this white into the pot. Napa cabbage. Cut it in half, cut it in quarters. 1/2-inch pieces. Looks like a lot, but this stuff will cook way down. Celery, big pieces like that in the pot. Carrot, a little bit smaller. Garlic, smash it, give it a good mince. Garlic in. Ginger, absolute key to wash your ginger. I'm gonna do some nice long slices of ginger, because these pieces you just pull out after the braise, so 4 nice pieces like that. Then last but not least, guys, we have our tofu. I do them in quarters, so cut them in half, quarters. Lay these on top so they're kind of exposed, if you would. Tamari, which is gluten-free soy sauce, so this is also a gluten-free dish. 1/4 cup on the tofu, everything in, 1/2 quart of veg stock. All of this veg is gonna exude a ton of water and flavor. Salt and pepper. We're gonna go pressure cook, low, and we're gonna go 10 minutes. Hit start. Easy peasy. 10 minutes, done. Switch to top, use the Evercrisp, and get an awesome panko crust. All right, the 10 minutes are up. Let's go ahead and release the pressure. And the reason I use low pressure is high pressure could actually smash the tofu. Look at that braised tofu. How good does that look? Let's go ahead and make our gluten-free topping. So those are the green scallions I chopped earlier. These are gluten-free panko, which I absolutely love. And we're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of black pepper. So this is gonna be just a really tasty crust. I love food that has crunch and texture. And the only reason we can do this is because we have a duo crisp. I just lay this all over the tofu as we then take this top. So we're gonna air fry this, 400 degrees all the way, 5 minutes, and it's gonna give you a nice GB&D color. All right, guys, after 5 minutes of the air fry, check this out. Look at that, GB&D. So now I got the crunch that I want. Be careful when you take it out. I wanna make sure the tofu is on top, right? Like this. See that? Because the tofu is so nice and crunchy. Look at that. Just get a little bit of this awesome broth. Shiitakes, cabbage, carrot, celery, ginger, garlic. This is not only gonna be delicious, because I'm gonna try it. Just remember, it's also really good for you, and you are what you eat. I am a Tamari Braised Tofu. I love it. Full of umami, but crunchy from the panko. Because of the duo crisp, you must try and make this dish. Go for it. And as always, peace and good eating.